Make lunch for my daycare kids. We're switching it up today and doing some chicken nuggets. I don't do these very often, mostly because the kids tell me they have them a lot at their houses, and if that's like a safe meal for their parents to serve at home, I don't want to overdo it here. Anyway, I also don't serve them often because I have to give them so many chicken nuggets to count as a protein. So my 1 and 2 year olds have to have, this is according to my food program, even though a serving is 4 and it has 12 grams of protein in a serving, that's just kibosh. For daycare, I have to serve my 1 and 2 year olds 4 chicken nuggets and my 3 to 5 year olds 5 chicken nuggets, and then 6 to 12 year olds 7 chicken nuggets. That's just what I have to do. So I'm literally counting out for them. And with all the other components, like I feel like 5 chicken nuggets is a lot for a 3-year-old. So I gotta count how many I need. I need 38 chicken nuggets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 31, 32, 34, 35, 36, 38, 39, 40, 41. 42, 44. What am I doing? Okay, we got 38 on here. And then I'm actually making these for my husband. He prefers like crispy chicken strips. These are just not creditable for the kids, so I can't serve them to them. They're plain in noodles. They've been doing pasta sensory all week. I feel like that's all he's gonna eat. Alright, put these in the oven. Serve juice to my daycare kids so rarely, but today we're gonna have orange juice for our fruit. I still have to serve them milk too. So I feel like sometimes it kind of defeats the purpose of doing juice, especially at lunch or breakfast. We're going to try juice today. Maybe we can do apple juice next week. I'm hoping my preschoolers don't spill these. I don't give them like cups like this very often just because they spill a lot. For our green today, we're going to have just some butter bread on whole wheat bread. And then I did throw French fries in the air fryer when we got up here too. I just wasn't ready to film when we got up here. I was getting the kiddos situated. I wanted to get the French fries going. I did make a coffee. I'll post that video next. I had time while the chicken nuggets were in the oven. And the kids are making such a mess today. But they're having fun. And honestly, they do a pretty good job cleaning up. Hey, don't throw the noodles. Don't throw them. My dog is feasting down there. Clean them up. French fries count as a vegetable because they're potatoes. Alright, and here is lunch today. Not very colorful or exciting, but that's what we're having. And they're having 2 drinks since they have to have milk, even though I'm giving them juice. That's lunch. Alright, here's what the kiddos ate. Of course, they loved the chicken nuggets. I do not do them very often. Kova's still eating. This kiddo threw a lot of food on the ground, and that kid did pretty